Hello, we're going to take a quick look at our symbols icon in our annotations. So you'll see here you have a dot, a check mark, and a music note. So this is where we're going to start, and we'll click that symbols. As you can see, it opens up our symbols tools. And on the tray, we have shapes, music notes, math, get charts, charts and fraction tiles, gadgets, and then underneath our shapes, this is where we're going to focus right now, is the shapes tool. Underneath our shapes, we can click the arrow key, and you'll notice that whatever color we have highlighted for our pen tool will be the color that our shape is dropped in as. So if we want to change the size of our arrows or any of our shapes, we're going to use the gear icon or our systems icon, and we're going to change that size. So you can choose the slider to change that size. You can also change the color and opacity as well. So let's see what that does now. So we'll go back to our shapes, click that arrow again, and we should have a new color and a new size, and we do. We can do the same thing with the line tool. We can choose our color for our line using our settings, and we can change the color and the opacity for that line. So you can see there, that line is very opaque, and then we adjust it to a little bit darker, and it is darker. We can do the same thing for our shapes. We have a rectangle tool here. I'm going to choose green for my color, and I can make a rectangle. As you can see, as I stretch and draw this rectangle, it makes a rectangle. If I want to make a perfect square, I'm going to hold down the Shift key while I draw a square. And you will see that I have a square that measures the same on all corners. I can do the same with the filled square. Change my color, and I'm going to use my options, and I'm going to choose a different color, and I can go to the color palette, and I can choose that color there. And I again have my filled square. We can do the same thing with our triangle. And we have two different triangles there. I'm going to make this a darker, and I'll go with the dark purple. And I'll minimize my settings, and there you have it. Same thing with the filled triangle. And then we do the same thing with our circles. Our circles, we have an outline circle and a filled circle. So we can make those shapes. These would be great for any type of math activity you're doing. It would be great for annotating as well. I like the filled rectangle when I'm highlighting, and I need to have a small highlighter, but I need the entire word or sentence highlighted. So that works really well there. The arrows are great for drawing attention to different text, and then the lines can help you in any way that you can see. It also would be great for highlighting as well. I hope that quick video helps on those symbols, and then we used the shapes tools. Have a great day. Thank you.